Okay, can we talk about how annoying it is when you just want tea the way you like it and suddenly it's a whole negotiation when you're out at a restaurant or at your house or maybe over at a friend's house? Because some days I want sweet, not dessert sweet, just right sweet. That's why I keep Sweet and Low packets around. They're easy, they're consistent, and they don't mess with the flavor of my tea. I love that it's packets. I can throw a few in my bag, keep them at my desk, and even throw some in the car because nothing ruins a morning faster than bad coffee or tea. Also, there's no measuring, no sticky spills, no guessing. One packet and done. This is one of those boring looking things that actually makes your daily routine better. And those are the products I always rebuy. So guys, if you're struggling through drinks that are almost good, this fixes it. Anyway, I never run out on purpose.